I think that comes from wrestling,
Hmm.
honestly, because like I said, my mindset of wrestling and fighting is very similar. Growing up wrestling a bunch in high school and then in college, I never really had too many people show up to watch me wrestle. So it was mainly from wrestling that I just dial in on the match, not worrying about what other people are doing. And then I talked to Josiah and Coach Davis about me just hearing Josiah's voice. And I guess that's something they like do on purpose, like on practice. They try in practice, they talk to us the same way that they would coach us during the fight. So that's kind of why I was able to hear his voice so clearly. It's because the way we talk in practice, so that way it'll translate over during the fight.